Today I'm going to show you how to send a document to be signed electronically using DocuSign. This is the document. It's a motor vehicle bill of sale and it's a Word document. Also, you can use PDFs. I need these two persons to sign the document, John and Frank. Now, you can drag and drop the document here. Also, you can just click here, select the document, and it's going to be uploaded. When it's done, click Next. Now, this is where you add the recipients. These are the persons that are going to receive the document to be signed electronically. I am the sender. So the first recipient is Frank Smith, and I need to type in his email address here. Select Add Recipient for the second recipient, and this is John Sam. I want to make sure his email address is typed in here also. Now, if there are more than two persons, you can select Add Recipient, click Next. So this is the document. On the left side, you can see Frank Smith, and if I click on the drop-down menu, there's John Sam. As you will notice, Frank Smith is yellow and John Smith is in blue. So if there were to be another name, it would probably be another color. So I'm just going to select John Sam. Now click on Signature and just drag it where you need the signature to be. Select Date, drag it in the Date field. Select Initial and drag it to where the initials are to be. Now click on the drop down menu. I want to select Frank. I'm going to do the same thing here. Click on Signature, drag it in the signature field here. Click on Date, then place it here. Click on Initials and drag it here. Now you can just adjust it. When it's done, click Next. As you can see, Frank on the right side, Frank and John, these are the two persons this document is going to. Now you can type any email subject and also an email message. I'm just going to type please sign. Click Send. Now, if I go to John Sam's email, as you can see, he receives the document and it says please sign. Click on Review Document. This needs to be checked. Click Continue. And as you can see, the place for John to sign and the initial. The date is already placed here automatically. Notice that John cannot sign where Frank Smith needs to sign. Select Sign. Now you can change the style here to any style. Also, if they prefer, You can use your mouse and sign. When it's done sign, just click Adopt and Sign. Click on Initial, and the initials are here. Now when John has finished signed, click on Finish. Now this is Frank's email, and the document has been sent to Frank. He's going to do the same thing, review document. Select the checkbox, click Continue. And he has to sign here and place his initial. He's going to click on Sign. Click on Adopt and Sign. Click on Initial, and it's there. When he's done, click Finish. Now the person who sent the document is going to receive an email saying completed. And if he clicks on View Completed Document, as you can see, both John and Frank's signatures are here. And it says the document is now complete. Thank you for watching.